Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel, Walker Family TV. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emeka, and returning subscribers, thank you for coming back and watching us again. And in today's video, for the new subscribers, I'm going to give you a glimpse at me feeding the goats and the dogs, because we do have a farm out here. Wait, we're living on the farm out here. And I just want you to give you a glimpse of what I do, or my husband do, or whoever's out here have to feed them. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share, and comment below. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video. And here we go. Okay, hey guys, right here I'm supposed to give my goats some treats because they really enjoy them, and they're animal crackers, and I got it from the Cog Hill Family Farm. And if you're into the homestead or farm animals or country life, go check them out. They really have a good channel. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I was just giving you a typical little mini day of what I have to do when I have to feed the goats and the dogs. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video. And until the next time, bye.